In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 signs that your video is about to blow up, is about to go viral. Number one thing you must look for is the click-through rate. First of all, don't obsess over click-through rates. If you see it dropping after 24 hours, don't panic. It's completely normal. It drops naturally as YouTube pushes your content more and gives you colder impressions, that is new or newer broader audiences. As it begins to expand the reach of your video, your click-through rate begins to reduce because some of the people that are seeing these particular videos are not in your niche. Hence, some of them might skip the video and the click-through rate might drop. So a 4% click-through rate with 800,000 impressions is completely normal. I would even say it is pretty good. So the best sign that your thumbnail and title are strong is your click-through rate in the first 24 hours. Always check the first 24 hours. It is very crucial to this viral video, but don't compare it with other creators. That's a mistake most YouTubers make. They compare their click-through rate with other creators. No, don't do that. Instead, compare it to your own older uploads or your uploads in your channel. Begin to compare the click-through rate to them. If this current one is ahead, then you should know that this particular video is about to go viral. Number 2 sign is the watch time. Yes, your watch time should mainly come from not subscribed viewers. Not subscribed viewers. The first people that see your video are your subscribers and returning viewers. They either see the video on the home page or get a notification about your video. You can check it in video analytics under your dashboard. Then you scroll to engagement. Then you check audience retention at the bottom segment on the left under type. Then you check subscribers and non-subscribers. You're going to see the full information there. If you see more viewers are subscribed, your video most likely didn't perform well enough to get pushed further. On the other hand, if you see a majority of not subscribed viewers, then it means your video broke out. You're on your way to a viral video. Number 3, impressions and views. Yes, if impressions and views are flatlined or look like they are slowly flattening, there is a 90% chance that the video is dying and probably won't get pushed further. But if both are trending upward, you are in the green. Alright? An upward trend in impressions and views is the strongest signal that your video is still being pushed and can blow up anytime from now. So even if it's slow and inconsistent, this happens because YouTube's algorithm takes time to figure out what audience to push your video to, especially on newer channels. But this might not always be the case because we've seen channels with first video going viral. Then the next thing you must look for is the retention graph. Look at it very well. From my research, there's a lot of strong case studies showing what good average view duration looks like by video length. So YouTube doesn't share this publicly, but most YouTube strategists that work with tons of different channels post this. To be 100% sure I don't spread misinformation here, I also analyzed 14 of the best performing channels that I'm currently working with. Here is how it looks. 3-minute videos should be around 62% for median and 82% for top 10% uploads. Then 10-minute videos should be around 44% median and 61% for top 10% uploads. Then 30-minute videos should be around 30% medium and 49% for top 10% uploads. So if your retention looks similar to this, your video has a strong chance of getting pushed to more people. The next thing you will look for or look at is the intro retention. Your intro retention should be around 65% or you can push it to 70%. To check this, just head over to your retention graph and hover your mouse over the timestamp where your intro ends. If it's not 65%, it's either an issue with your intro itself, or this might shock you, an issue with your thumbnail or title. The next thing you look at is your intro. Most of the time it is too long, but 15 to 30 seconds is perfect for most videos. And sometimes it is not strong enough. This comes with practice and analyzing other creators' videos in your niche. Analyze their videos and learn from them, and you're on your way to your viral video. If you are 100% sure that you are stuck making weak intros and don't feel like analyzing other channels, I have a short guide with best practices for creating addicting intros. I can either post it here for everyone or send it directly to you. The next thing you will look at is your thumbnail and title. When you are clickbaiting viewers with your thumbnail and title, or simply don't deliver on the promise made in the thumbnail, people will click off the video instantly. That's what tanks intro retention. Those are the 5 early signs I look for to see if a video has a chance of going viral. So are you ready for your next breakout video? Are you ready for your first viral video? And which of these signs have you been noticing lately? Let me hear your opinions in the comments. And before you go, I think this video is going to help you next.